Hi everyone, this is Isabel the Shabby Hippie. I hope you're all doing well. I hope that you all had a great weekend. Today is Monday here where I live, and yeah, so I'm just here to show you what papers I'm going to be working with next, and this is for Lily Fee, the Paper Witch, and she is my beautiful sister in God, of course, not my real sister. She's one of my Italian sisters that I love dearly. She is so sweet. Um, and I hope you all run over to her channel and her stores. She's got a store on Etsy and on Coffee, and she does a lot of freebies as well, just like Lena. So those are my two Italian sisters that I adore, I love, and I thank God for them every day. So anyway, this is what I'm going to be working with for her next project. So it's called Nature Collage Kit. I had to write it down because, you know, guys, my brain doesn't work. So half the time anyway. But I love these little collages that she made. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to use them, but I'm going to use them. That's all I know. Okay, so we have that one. And then we have this one. Not pretty. I love those three butterflies right there. And all these other shades of green. I love that. And then we have this other collage here. We even have a pelican here. And some receipts, a butterfly. I guess that's a stamp possibly. I love these. So pretty. I love these. And then some envelopes. And then we have some cut aparts. I love these as well. Oh, how pretty. Love, love, love these. Love these. And, okay, what else do we have here? Oh, sorry. This cardstock is very thick. Okay. And then my hands, I guess, are dry. Then we have these journaling cards here, which are so pretty. You guys can really see. I don't know. I don't know if I should pull out or pull in. I don't know. I don't know anything. I just work here. Then we have this gorgeous file folder. Oh, I love it. It is just beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and then we have this other one with the green. So pretty. Then we have these tags. I love these tags. And then I don't know how this one got here. It should have been with the other ones, but yeah, it's okay. Another collage set of pages right there. Aren't they pretty? I love that. So pretty. So yeah, guys, so if you like this set and you would like to own it, just go over to Daniela's Etsy store. I'm not sure if she's having a sale right now, but she does have sales very often. So, yeah, go check it out and see what you can create with this. All right. So, yeah, we'll see what happens with, you know, what I will create. But I'll see you all soon. Thank you all. Thank you to my new subscribers also for being here. I appreciate you all. Thank you so very, very much. All right. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.